Hey guys, it's Lisa, and today we're going to do a Nordstrom haul plus some gift ideas that I wanted to show you, probably for the beauty lover in your life or for yourself. I always love the Christmas sets. So I've got some of those to show you, and then I also, when I was putting my makeup on today, decided to share with you some of my favorites. This video is sponsored by Nordstrom, and now you can earn 5 times the points on beauty. If you're an icon or an ambassador, you earn 15 points per dollar. An influencer earned 10 points per dollar, and a member 5 points per dollar. For a limited time, earn 5 times the points on beauty, a Nordy Club exclusive, online and in-store. The first thing I got that I think is a great gift, and I buy these every year for myself because I am a sucker for the small candles. For some reason, I feel like small candles are better. I don't know why, but oh my gosh, just opening this. Oh, it makes you feel so good. Okay, this is the Diptyque little gift set. Very, very vibey, good gift to give because these are all the best. Like this one smells kind of smoky, literally. I remember a girl I used to follow, and she was like a really cool girl. This was her favorite. And then the amber, and I know everyone loves this one, this beige. So this is a wonderful set. I have to put something from Moroccan oil in here because I love Moroccan oil, and this is such a good little gift. It has the Moroccan oil for your hair in it, which is one of my top favorites, probably in the top 3. Smells amazing, and because of that, this has the fragrance mist. So if you like the fragrance mist from the Moroccan oil, this is such a good little set. Perfect for a daughter-in-law. Like, all of these are going to be just great gifts for that person that you want to get them something nice. You don't want to spend a whole lot, but you want to get them a good quality gift that you love. That's what this is. This I got because I thought it would be a great guy's gift. We have such a hard time picking out gifts for men. Let's face it. They don't want clothes. They might not want this, but they'll use it and they'll like it. It's the Le Labo all-in-one cleanser. Let's see, it's Elizabeth Street. I'm not sure if that's like the scent. I'm not real savvy on that. Your man is going to smell good if he uses this. So this is something they can use for their body wash, shampoo, or like John, his scalp wash. And it just smells really good, and it looks really good sitting in their shower. This would be great for like a college student, bachelor, I think anyone. Like, this is something I would give my dad, John, my brother, Will. He likes stuff like this. So this, I think, is a great gift. I feel like you guys don't want to hear about these anymore. They're must-haves to me. These Aki hair towels, and they're kind of pricey. So I think it's a great gift because a lot of people wouldn't spend this on themselves, but they will enjoy it. This is just one of those gifts. This is the kind of stuff I like to give. I like to really give things that are very practical, but yet a little bit extravagant. You know, a lot of people would just put their hair in a towel, or they'd get one of those cheaper ones. These are just the best. And this is like a little set. I do think that this helps my hair be not as frizzy. And what I love to do is take a shower, do my skincare, and then I come upstairs in my office for a little while, and then I go downstairs and dry my hair. Sorry, that's my neighbor, Marnie. She's a yellow lab, and she loves to bark. So anyway, I think this is a great gift, and then you could always throw in some shampoo and conditioner or something like that with it and make it a really, really nice gift. This also is something they have every year that I think is a fabulous gift. This would go well too with just a like gift card. I am a gift card giver, and even for teachers, like especially male teachers, I would do like Starbucks, or sometimes I would do Barnes and Noble. Amazon is always a fabulous gift card. And I would do, you know, some little chocolate or something. But like a woman teacher, if you wanted to do a gift card, this would be great. It's the little slip satin ponytail holders. Love these. I like these little skinny ones because they're just not over the top, and they're pretty, and they come in this nice little package. Just perfect. Oh, and two, before I forget, remember I told you how much I love that Sicily powder that I got when I was in Dallas at the LTK convention. I think there's 2 shades and I got the darker of the 2. Well, now that I'm not as dark, it's getting where I can't wear it all over. I'm just using it like on the perimeter of my face. So I'm gonna order the lighter one. So I'll let you know how that goes, but that powder is dreamy. It's amazing. So I got this to try. It's the Byredo little kohl pencil, and it's perfect if you want a good eyeliner and wing, but you don't want it too black. Because when I tried it, I liked it, but it's not really, really black. It's kind of like an off black, but a lot of people like that. Generally, I do too. The only thing that kept me from loving it is I didn't know how much better it was than stuff I already had. And I like to wear a little bit of lashes. So sometimes I need that darkness down by my lashes, which I could always go over it. But I would say this is a splurge. Is it a must-have? No, I'd much rather see you get that powder from Sicily. Okay, this is something that has been on my to-do list, is to learn about this. I'm pretty sure it's going to be simple, but when I was looking at all the different gifts and wanting to give you guys some ideas, this was in there and it was like top rated. People love this thing. And it's the Pura. It's like a scent type thing, a home scent system. Smart technology, premium fragrances, the perfect scenting experience. And I just feel like, gosh, scent is so important. Just puts you in the mood of whatever you're wanting to feel at the time. I love it. So I was thinking this would be a good gift, or if you're like me, something good to get for yourself. You can control it from your phone, set timers and schedules. Fragrances last up to 125 hours, safe and clean, no parabens or phthalates. So that is a good point. And this wasn't crazy expensive. So the ones that I chose are the Fraser Fur, because who doesn't love the scent of Christmas? The scent of Christmas. Oh, and speaking of, did you see my t-shirt? I got this from Nordstrom too. And it's the Lucky brand. I forgot. Lucky is one of those brands that you forget about how good it is because so much new stuff comes out all the time. I put this t-shirt on and I was just like, hello, I like the way you fit. It's just nice and worn in. It would look good with like the sleeves rolled up, or if you wanted to cut them off a little bit. But look what Santa that is. That is Coca-Cola Santa. And I thought Coke originated in North Carolina, but I looked it up and it was actually Atlanta, Georgia. Pepsi, Cheerwine, and Sundrop have originated in North Carolina. And the reason I'm so attracted to this is, first of all, I love like the old-fashioned looking Santas, the real traditional. But my grandparents had this like stuffed Santa. I remember his black boots, and he was holding a little bottle of Coke. And you know, they would put him out every year when I was little, and we just always loved that Santa. So when I saw this, I like had to get it. And they had some different ones too. And then a friend of mine told me that actually Coke, the artist that originated the Coca-Cola Santa back in like the 30s, is the first one who came up with this type of Santa, like the classic Santa. I thought that was cool. And I just love this shirt, and I thought it would go well with a moto jacket. You see this on my arm. I am helping take care of my brother's dogs while he is out of town for a little bit. And one of them is she's not a puppy, but she's only 1 year old, and she like got lots of energy. She's crazy. And she gets excited. You know, you go over there and she gets excited. So she got me yesterday. So today, oh my gosh, I didn't realize I didn't have my microphone on the whole time. Okay, I hope you can hear me. And so I figured today I would wear my armor, my motorcycle jacket, when I go over there to let them out. But it's still fun. I miss having a dog, but that reminded me of some of the being able to go out of town and all of that stuff. So when I was putting my makeup on, I wanted to just kind of remind you of some oldies but goodies. I think the Santa got me in a little bit of a nostalgic mood. These 2 eyeshadows are the only ones I have on today. Everyone, 100% needs these shadows, because even if you don't like them as shadows, I think they're good brow colors too. The first one is MAC charcoal brown. This is the ultimate neutral, darker brown. And I have used this for my brows. When they're thin and I take a brush and just do a thin line of this, it's a different vibe. It's the blonde hair, the dark brow vibe, which I like that. I used it on the outside today. It's just such a good shadow. And then this is another one, Omega. This is my main crease color, and this is the best brow color for blondes. It is fabulous. Even if you have white gray hair, you will love this. It's so neutral and it's much more pigmented than you would think. I love it. I have just enjoyed using these so much. And of course I could go on with soft brown and wedge, but these are what I use today. And then my lip combo is an oldie but a goodie, but one that I have not used in a long time, and it's Estee Lauder Mauve. Such a good color, just like perfection. If you like a pink lip, a nude lip, or a mauve lip. And then the lipstick I have on is another classic, Creme de Nude. I love it so much. So it's very, very nude. So you can tell that I put it on and I really worked it in. And then my favorite go-to MAC glosses, so good. Today I put on a little touch of Nymphette because it's more of your mauve tone. I'm gonna rub it in here so you can see. And then if you're going for more of a warm peachy tone, Purr. Now I don't really like these on their own. They have to be either with a lip liner, which they're still good. They've got great coverage and they're that pearly look that we love. So this is Purr. So you can see it has a little bit more of a peachy tone, but you gotta admit, that is just some goodness there. I could have put Purr on with this easy. Matter of fact, I love mixing pink with peach. That is perfect. So if you were to take this mauve lip liner and mix it with Tom Ford Spanish Pink, oh my God. How about this hat that I got? Doesn't fit me. I think it's like a one size fits all, but I love the way it looks. I was telling Brooke, my daughter, when we were trying it on, like this is the hat you wear like when you're going to a concert or you're going, you know, to an outside event. I'll be honest, it's just a badass hat, but it rocks on my head. Like it doesn't, it's like there's space right here and I want it to fit. I love how straight it is. I just think it's amazing. And it really does like provide shade or whatever. But tell me what you think. I mean, should I keep it? I love it so much, but I don't know, like, I guess how much do you really need it to grip on? Because it's staying on. What do you think? I think it's pretty cool. Oh, I forgot to show you my jeans. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me show you my outfit. Now keep in mind, I am going to let my brother's dogs out today. Let me see, let me move you. Another oldie but a goodie. I couldn't decide. I'm always undecided about the roll or not to roll. I'm thinking with sneakers, I will not roll, but with a heel, let me put a heel on, hold on. Okay, yeah, I had these over there. So with a heel on, I like them rolled, but I think you could get away with them not rolled, especially with sneakers, and I'm wearing UGG flats today, my UGG Cosetta. But these are the AG ex-boyfriend. These are the jeans that you will never regret. They feel like you have had them for 10 years. They're so soft. And I don't know, it's weird. It's like I wouldn't say they're so stretchy. They're just so soft and the cut is so good. So make sure you can see me all the way. Love them. They take me back to my boyfriend jeans and pumps days. So I hope I gave you some good ideas. Don't forget about the extra points for ambassador, icons, regular card members. They're doing double, triple, 5 times the points. Don't forget about those specials. All kinds of good sales. I was on the website today. They're already starting their Black Friday sales. So now's the time. And I think Nordstrom has really stepped it up lately. So thank you guys so much for being here. I hope I helped you a little bit. I hope you enjoyed your time with me. And thank you to Nordstrom for partnering with me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.